Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Here's a sneak peek at what we're going to be making today. We're going to be doing some acrylic pouring, making some flip cups, and let's jump in and get started. I'm going to be using the Artist Loft pre-mixed ready to pour paints from Michaels for these. I have 4 cups here. I'm adding about an ounce of paint to each of my cups here. I'm also going to be using old gold, titanium white, and black. And of course, you want to pour your paint into separate cups because I am going to be adding this Artist Loft brand silicone oil to my paint. So you don't want to put that in with your entire bottle because sometimes, you might not want cells. So I did 4 drops in the gold, 3 drops in the blue, 3 drops in the white, and none in the black. And I'm giving it a good stir, wiping off my little plastic knife here in between mixing. And we're going to be layering the cup on the left, white, blue, gold, black. And the cup on the right, I wanted to do the opposite to see how different they would turn out. So we're going to do black, blue, gold, and then white on the tile on the right here. So I'm just flipping my cups over. We'll pick them up, give them a tilt, and there's no special, technique to the tilting. I'm just trying to get the paint to all 4 corners of my little ceramic tile here. I'm pouring on 4x4 ceramic tiles that I had done paint pours on previously. They do have a resin top coat, so I did sand them a little bit by hand with just some 320 grit sandpaper, cleaned them off with some 91% isopropyl alcohol, and then they're good to paint pour on again. I'm going to hit this with my torch, and now you're going to see those cells start to develop, and they will grow as they sit. So you can see they're starting to get bigger, bigger, and bigger. These paints work really great with the Artist Loft brand silicone oil, and I picked them all up at Michaels, so I'll link them down below if you guys want to get some. And I had enough paint to do one more, so I just did my colors, white, blue, and then gold in my cup because I actually ran out of black. And I ended up just scraping out all the paint I could around my cup before I picked it up. And same thing, tilt it and hit it with the torch, and you'll see the fun cells start to develop. I really like how this one turned out without the black. So I think I'm going to do this color combination again, just the old gold, bright blue, and white. So here's how the one we just did is looking. I think it looks really cool. I love these cells right here in the top right corner. That's my favorite look when it comes to cells. And here's the other two, the first 2 that we did. So this is the original one where the white was on the bottom of the cup. Turned out really fun too. And I love, can you see how the gold is just popping up in between some of the cells? It's like a really fun kind of golden road. The old gold is super pretty. So what I'm going to do is let these guys dry, and then I'll show you how they look when they're all nice and dry. This is the wet finish of the cup that we had the black on the bottom. So you can see they turned out really different. This one, the cells got a lot bigger. The other cup where we had the white on the bottom, some of the cells stayed pretty tiny. And here they are all nice and dry. This is the first cup that we did, the one with the white on the bottom. Like I was saying, it has some really cool tiny cells. This technique is so fun, and it's great for if you're a beginner, because the Artist Loft paints, all you have to do is shake the bottle and they're ready to go. So I'm going to clean the silicone oil off of these and give them a resin top coat. So I'll link the video showing how I clean the silicone oil off of my pieces. If you guys want to check it out, I'll link it down below, and I'll pin it in the comments. Just scroll down to the comment section and you can click on it and see that. I found a way to really get that silicone oil off in one shot and do a nice resin top coat in one shot, because if you're doing resin and you're using silicone oil, sometimes you can get fish eyes or pitting in your resin finish because the oil repels that resin. So you have to clean it off and seal it before you do your resin top coat. So be sure to go check that video out. This is the piece that we did with just blue, white, and gold. I really, really like these colors together. So I think I'm going to do more like this with just these 3 colors. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, leave me a like, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and go check out a few more of my other videos. That would really help me out a lot. And only 20% of my viewers are subscribed, so please subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. It's free and it'll really help me out a lot. Thanks again for watching. I hope you guys are all doing great, and I will see you soon for another video. Bye.